Hey everyone, get ready to dive into the explosive world of Bounty Killer, Jamaica's dancehall legend. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel to stay locked into stories about music icons like Bounty Killer. Your support keeps the vibes alive. Hit that subscribe button now. Rodney Basil Price, born June 12, 1972, in Kingston, Jamaica, known as Bounty Killer, is a dancehall DJ whose raw lyricism and social commentary shaped the genre. Raised in the tough Seaview Gardens, dubbed Riverton City Dump, he faced poverty and violence, losing his brother to gun violence at age 13. Discovered by King Jammy at 14, his stage name, inspired by Star Wars Boba Fett and his warlord persona, reflects his gritty style. Bounty Killer's Rastafari-influenced lifestyle emphasizes community, with an tall diet and mentorship of youth in his alliance crew, including Mavado and Vybz Kartel. His career ignited in the early 1990s with hits like Coppershot and Spy Fi Die, blending gangsta narratives with conscious themes. His 1993 breakout single Lodge led to albums like Stinging Nettle, 1993, and My Xperience, 1996, which sold over 100,000 copies and featured collabs with Barrington Levy and Busta Rhymes. Known as the Poor People's Governor, he addresses injustice in tracks like Down in the Ghetto. His 2002 album Ghetto Dictionary, The Mystery earned a Grammy nomination, while feuds with Beenie Man and Vybz Kartel fueled YouTube debates, with clips of their lyrical clashes trending in 2025. Bounty Killer's influence extends to hip-hop, collaborating with the Fugees and No Doubt, and his 2024 single Man A Killa keeps him relevant at Reggae Sumfest. Living modestly in Kingston, Bounty Killer invests in his community, supporting Seaview Gardens youth programs. His net worth, estimated at $1 to $2 million in 2025, comes from album sales, tours, and endorsements, though lower than peers like Sean Paul, $25 million, due to his focus on mentorship over commercial ventures. His alliance crew has launched stars, cementing his legacy as a talent incubator. Recent YouTube content, like Walk and Talk TV's 2025 interview, highlights his reflections on dancehall's evolution and his role in banning gun tunes to curb violence. Bounty Killer's impact transcends music, with awards like the 2012 Caribbean American Heritage Award and a 2023 honorary doctorate from the University of the Commonwealth Caribbean for cultural contributions. His unapologetic style, raw, rebellious, and rooted in reality, continues to inspire, making him a dancehall icon whose voice for the marginalized resonates globally.